Hi guys, welcome back to Kodemine. Carrie here, and you guys watching C programming tutorial on our channel Kodemine. So the guys who are not still subscribe our channel, please do subscribe by hitting the red subscribe button below this video, and do not forget to hit the notification button, that is bell icon. And let's start with our new topic, that is ternary operators. Right? What is that ternary operator? So let me correct one thing here. We have to write down not ternary operators, it's a just ternary operator. So I apologize for my mistake, and let's start with this. So what is ternary operator basically? So we have like syntax is here, like we have a one expression where we have a condition basically. So in the condition, as we all know, the condition have a two outputs, possible outputs, like a true or false. So then we have a question mark, then we have a two sections. One section is before this column and another section is after that column. So the section which is before, like a column, and after question mark, that is will output only if the condition is true, right? If the expression one is true, then we will output this thing, right? And if we have a false of our condition, then we will print this thing after column. So in simple if else, we can use this ternary operator in C, and rather than to write a if else in 4-5 lines, we can simply do this thing in this way. So that is here, that ternary operator basically. For example, we have one example here, x is equal to 10 and y is equal to x greater than 9 question mark 100 colon 200. The value of y will be 100. Why? Because 10 is greater than 9, so that is the value, this value will be assigned to the y. Or in another case, if we have x is equal to 10 and y is equal to, condition is x is less than 9 question mark 100 colon 12. So here the condition is false, right? 10 is not less than 9. So what will happen? Now this is our false portion. So 200 will be assigned to the y. So that is our ternary operator, and we will also do this thing in our practical. Alright, so we will open our turbo C. So before that, we have some other operators also which we will discuss here, and whenever these variables will be required, so we will explain that in a separate video. So what is other operators we have? That is ampersand, which is used for to get the memory address of a variable, like this way, right? Mostly we use this thing to assign a memory address of that variable to a pointer, right? Then we have a star, is pointer operator to show the value stored at the memory address, right? If we have a variable like star x, right? So x will store the address of this memory, right? This is memory will be stored at x, and if we try to print star x, then what will x will do? So star x is represent the value which is stored at this memory address, right? So star is basically represent the pointer operator. Then we have a size of. So size of operator will basically give the length of a variable in bytes, right? For example, we want to test, okay, how much bytes our integer variable is consuming. So we can get that using this size of operators, right? Then we have a dot operator and arrow operator, which we use into structure and pointers, right? So whenever we start with the structure and pointers in the later video, so we will do that kind of also. So these are some other operators, right, which are also important, and we will use that into the separate video. These kind of operators whenever we will use structure and pointers, so you guys will get to know the use of these operator in very deep, right? So here we will start a program to understand the ternary operator here. So I will go into my turbo C, and the guys who are still not aware how to install this turbo C, you guys can go to the playlist, and we have a second video to install turbo C. So the guys who are new, you guys can get that link into the description, right? So if you guys have any query, any question related to the installation, you guys can comment into the comment box. So let's start with our program. So start with include and stdio.h. Then we have a void main and here we have a like we will do here int x is equal to 10, and we have like int y, right? And what we will do, x y is equal to then we have x greater than 9, then we have 100, then we have 100, and that is 200, right? So what we will do, printf value of y is %d and then y, and the next line, that is obvious, get ch to halt the screen, and we are saving this program, not save as, we need to do save. So we are saving this program. So here we have a like this is a ternary operator.c, so that is here, right? So the guys who are using Linux, so you guys can watch our video into the playlist where we have mentioned how to run a program in Linux as well. So right, you guys can see in between I compile my program and there is no error in that, and I will run my program now and we will see the output, and you guys can see the value of y is 100. Why is that? Because x is greater than 9, 10 is greater than 9, yes, so that is our true part, right? That 100 is our true part and 200 is our false part. You guys can write down any value, any string, any character here, and that will be assigned, or that will be our we are able to print on the screen. So that is that here, and let's do it in a reverse. So what will happen now, so this way, and let me write down /n so that we can get the output into new line. So first of all, whenever you guys change your program, so first of all save your file, then compile your file, right? Then run your file. So whenever you guys do any change, just do all these steps properly, right? So otherwise you are not able to see the updated result, right? You guys you will able to like you will get that previous result without saving the, and so this could be lead to a misunderstanding. So always keep in mind that always save your code, compile your code, and run your code. So you guys can see now, right now we have a value is 200. So why 200? Because here we have a here condition x is less than 9, the value of x is 10. Is 10 is less than 9? No, it's a false. Then what will happen, it will ignore this true case and it will print the 200, or it will assign the 200 to the y, right? So that is how we use the ternary operator in a C, right? It's, you guys can say it's a simple substitute of if else. If we have a very simple if else, so instead of if else we can use this ternary operator, right? But if else have its own benefits. Ternary operator is like a very quick shortcut to do a very simple condition kind of things. So hope you guys understand this video or this topic. If you guys have any query, any question, you guys can comment into the comment box. And the guys who still not subscribe our channel, guys, we have a very hard working team to make this tutorial for you guys, and please do subscribe by hitting the red subscribe button below this video, and also do not forget to hit the bell icon for the notification of upcoming videos, and do not forget to comment about the video, and stay tuned. We are shortly come up with the next topic. So thanks for watching. Have a very good day.